In this video, we're going to learn how to make a program or group. Programs and groups are a way to group activities together. You can see a list of all of the activities and their descriptions by clicking the Activities button in the main menu, so that you can identify which ones you want to put in each program or group. You can also search for them by name, by category, like energy or food, or by type of activity, so whether it's a scheme or an event. To create a new program or group, click the Programs Groups button in the main menu. Then click the button on the right-hand side of the screen that says Create. Give your program or group a name, which will appear on the Programs Groups page when we're finished. Next, give a description of what the group or program does. Following this, select the activities to include in the program by ticking the box next to the activity name. Pick as many as you like, but for reporting purposes, it makes sense to group them up into different categories or genres. Select the local authority or network that the program comes under, and then click Save. The program will now show up on the Programs Groups page.